Wow! When you dance with equations with passion, the periodic table turns into a melody. Every component is a mental memo. Curiosity blossoms. Young imaginations are sparked by experiments, and every hypothesis and conclusion is made in your classroom. You plant the seeds for scientific investigation. I appreciate your unwavering commitment. We are comforted by the fondness of your understanding. Since you mentor us, we learn to ask questions and acknowledge the grace of scientific discovery. You are a brilliant star in the scientific symphony, guiding us throughout the knowledge universes. With deep appreciation, we dedicate this poetry to you, our everlasting lighthouse, dear teacher. Naaalala namin noong ikaw pa yung science teacher namin, kahit na mahirap yung lesson, kinakaya nyo pa rin na ituro sa amin dahil po sa galing mo. Gumagawa ka po ng paraan na mapadali yung lesson namin. Yung mga question na sa unang tingin ay mahirap, gumagawa ka po ng paraan para madali namin maintindihan. And we realize na hindi naman po pala ganoon kahirap. And in fact, masaya po pala ang sagutan dahil na din sa galing ninyo magturo. Napapadali na po yung mga lessons. Hindi lang po yun. Nagiging masaya ka pa yung discussion time dahil sa mga jokes mo, ma. Ang saya nyo kasama kasi ka-vibes ka po namin. Dahil sa iyo, ma'am, naging masaya yung every science time na dating akala namin ay mahirap pag-aralan. Nalaman po namin na hindi naman po pala puro hirap ang science. Lahat po ng mga experiments na tinuro at ginawa po natin, sobra-sobra po kami nag-enjoy at maraming nalaman. Salamat ma'am, at kahit di na po kayo ang science teacher namin ngayon, at kahit papunta na kami sa ibang eskwelahan, maaalala pa rin namin kayo. From grade 10, commitment, school year 23. Thank you very much. Pero kinabahan ako At hindi kayo magpakaba. Akala ko talaga meron na. Ano meron? Mahusay mag-prank si Ma'am Lucy. What's the QR code?
Scan nyo.